everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I make one of the hairstyles that helps my hair growth, which is thread. I'm going to be using thread to be making my hair. Most of you may be familiar with the thread hairstyle, and we all know how it really helps in hair growth. If you are making it frequently, I'm telling you that within 6 months you are going to see like serious results. But before we proceed, I want to really appreciate all of you, my subscribers, my viewers. For those who watched my last video, I want to say thank you. For our new subscribers, thank you. For our returning subscribers, I want to really appreciate you guys for watching my video, for liking and for subscribing. I want to tell you that I love you all, and please don't stop watching and continue to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So we are going to get straight to it. So I have my thread, I have my cotton comb. So I'm going to get straight to it now. So you can actually make this yourself, but if you don't have the strength to make it, if you have somebody at home, the person can actually help you, or you can even go to the salon to make the hair. But since I don't have anybody and I don't have the time to go to the salon, I will be doing mine by myself. So let's get straight to it. And this hairstyle helps to not just grow your hair, but it keeps your hair straightened. For us who have type 4C hair, it's really so difficult, and it's not all the time I like to use stretcher for myself. But with this thread, once I make it, anytime I lose my hair, it's not really stressful to wash or to comb. So guys, we are done. Make this hair 4 or 3 times a month, and I promise you are going to see results. So I'm going to be using my virgin hair fertilizer. It helps a lot with dandruff. So if you have it, it's time to use it in your scalp. So guys, that's it. Thanks for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Bye.